To change keyboard theme on a Redmi Note 14s, first you will have to go into the settings. From here you will have to scroll all the way down and go for the additional settings. Next you will have to go for the languages and input, then go for the manage keyboards, and from here select the Gboard. And now we are in this keyboard settings, and here we can find theme. So let's tap on this one, and there are a lot of different themes, the colors, landscapes, a different kind of gradients, and simply find any theme that you like. Let's for example select these ones, these gradients you'll actually have to download. So I will select this like ready themes right here. Let's select any of these, and here you can also toggle the key borders just like this, as you can see, and simply press apply. And now this keyboard theme, this is our current keyboard theme, which is selected. And let me just quickly show you. Let's go for some text box right here, and yeah, as you can see, that's how you can do this.